In Alias 2021 we improved the reference manager. The manager now supports alias assemblies. This means that a reference can now contain sub-reference files. If you want to modify a reference file, just do a right-click, Open Source in the reference manager, and a new stage is opening. Once the modifications are completed, the file can be saved. Now the reference manager of the main assembly file will inform you that the file is out of date, and you can now update the main assembly. Also, layer symmetry and visibility can now be controlled in the reference manager, like in the object lister. You can also use the file for referencing multiple times, which can be very helpful for placing wheels in your file, for example. Thanks for watching the video.